Hi, Assalamualaikum. We meet in the part 4, okay, in which we learn on the last method. Okay, we done with the naive approach, moving average, and then exponential in part 3, and the last one is linear trend. And again, we are using this error measurement to measure the error. Okay, what is linear trend? Linear trend is an associative method in which we will find the function, okay, from the data. So ft is the forecast that we're going to find, and then the formula is a plus bt. Okay, t is the time period that we want to forecast, and b is the slope of the line, okay, and a is the value of forecast when the t is 0. Okay, these are the formula that you need to use, in which we need to find the b. Okay, remember in the formula there's b, and these are the information that you need. Then once you find the b, then you can find the a, because the b is going to be used in the formula to find a. Okay, let's look at this example. Okay, it's given here. Okay, the given here is the laptop sale per week. Okay, these are the week until week 6, and these are the actual data, the sale of the laptop. And the question wants us to find the forecast for week 6. Okay, what are the forecasts? So we're going to use the linear trend method. Okay, you need to prep the data, in which week or month usually we use for T, okay, and sales usually used for Y, sales, enrollment, or anything about the actual data is we use for Y. And then T square means that the T here. So if this one is easy because it used week 1, week 2, week 3. What if they use month? So actually the T here is the turutan. It's more on the number of the turutan. So kalau kat sini, say, let's say January, February, March, April. So January 1, January 1, February 2, and then 3 March. But if they give you like June, July, August, you still start with the June number 1, July, August is the more on turutan. Okay, don't convert the month number, but convert the turutan. And then when you ask for T square, you just square all this, okay? And then for TY means that T times Y, so 1 times 150, okay, you do for this in one column. And then what else do you need? You need sum of T, okay, sum of T, you just sum up this column. And then sum T, you need to square. So 15 square is 225, and then sum of Y, you sum up of this column. And then this one is T square sum. Okay, don't get confused with this one and this one. This is different thing, okay? So this is the sum of this column, and then sum of TY. All of this we will use inside this formula. Okay, again, I show you this, all the data that we have prepped, and this one are the formula. So n is the number of data that you have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you put in 5. Okay, sum of TY, okay, is from here. So all the data, sum of TY, 204.99, and then again, sum of T is 15. So you plug in all the information, and then you do the calculation, and then you get 6.3. And then what you have to do with the 6.3 here, you need to put inside the A formula. So for A is sum of Y, okay, from the table previously, okay, and then B from here, then sum of T, and N is 5, and then you will get 143.5. So once you get the value of B, the value of A, then you can plug in into this equation. So will we get FT equal to 143.5 plus, okay, 63 times T, okay, 6.3 T. So this formula you will use to find your forecast. So the question 1 for week 6. So you replace the FT to F6, and then 143.5 plus 6.3T. So T you need to replace by 6. So you will get 181.3. Remember, this is a laptop, so you need to round up to 182. Okay, so it's very easy. The first thing you need to convert the T if it's not in the number value, and then you have the Y, and then you have to prepare the column for sum of T, sum of ty, and all those data, and then you need to plug in into B formula, A formula, and then you will get all the information into the FT formula. Once you get the FT, you can find any kind or any F6, you can find F7, F8, F9. So the important thing is the equation first, right? So in the live session, I will show you the solution, and we will discuss on how to solve tutorial 4, okay, and also tutorial 5, okay, and also tutorial 6 is very interesting because it's a combination of 3-month moving average, okay, and then they ask what is the best forecast for if you have only the actual data. Okay, so it's going to be linear trend, and we need to compare with the MAD method. All right. So let's recap. We have done the naive, moving average, weighted moving average, exponential, and linear trend. And don't forget, these are the technique or method of forecast. The MAD, MSE, and MAP is the error measurement to compare which method is the best, accurate, preferred due to the smallest error. Okay, so we're done with the forecast, and now chapter 4 is done and the quiz is ready online. So please answer the question. Okay, objective time question, and it's only lasts for 1 week. So please go to your Google Classroom, and see you in chapter 5. All right, so thank you.